Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing a camera test on the iPhone 17 Pro. You're probably wondering why it's nighttime. We will be doing a night test to see how the camera performs in night. Let's go over here. I have high hopes for this phone. This is a Pro. It has good cameras. I've done the Air, I've done the 17, and I was not very impressed. I have high expectations for this one. We're just gonna do regular without anything at all. And we're also gonna zoom into this blue over here. Let's zoom into that. And let's zoom in as much as we can. Okay, and now let's try to do ultra wide. Okay, we're now gonna turn on the night mode. We're gonna take a picture of the night mode with the ultra wide. Into this one with the times 16. Okay, see, this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is how a camera should be in the nighttime. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. You know what? This time we're gonna get closer to this Roger sign. Okay, so on the side, it's giving us a 9-second timer, so good luck to me. I'm gonna have to stay still for 9 seconds. Okay, not bad. We got the wood. I want to see how the wood is from afar, because we did have this issue where the wood. And I will also take a picture of the wood with the night mode. Okay, now we're gonna take a front-facing photo. I'm gonna turn off flash and we're only gonna use night mode. Okay, night mode's not too bad. I feel like it captures too much detail though. It captures too much. Like the 17 and the Air, it didn't capture enough. This one's just doing too much. I feel like the camera's so good that it just captures too much of you. Okay, now we're just gonna do the back facing. Now we're just gonna do the flash. I really like the Pro camera. I can just imagine like how good the Pro Max is gonna be. And this one we can actually put to 4K 120 frames per second. So let's do that. Okay, how does this look? Is it good with the flash? Is that a skunk?
Where?
Or a bunny?
No, it's bunny.
Are you sure? I think that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I've made the whole 17 series and the Air, the camera night test, so check those out. I've also done an unboxing on all of those. There goes the bunny. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.